Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update macOS Ventura safely using Time Machine backup step by step clearly. To update macOS Ventura safely using Time Machine backups, begin by connecting your Time Machine external drive to your Mac. Ensure that your Mac is plugged into a power source to avoid any interruptions during the update. Click on the Apple menu located in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Open the Software Update to check for available updates. If an update is available, click on Update Now to start the update process. Once the download is complete, your Mac will prompt you to restart. Before restarting, confirm that your Time Machine backup is recent. To check your backup, click on the Time Machine icon in the menu bar. Select Enter Time Machine to view the latest backup. If you see a recent backup within the last hour or so, you can proceed. If not, exit Time Machine and initiate a backup by selecting Backup Now. Wait for the backup to complete before continuing. Now, return to the Software Update window. Click on Restart to begin the installation of macOS Ventura. During the installation, your Mac will restart multiple times. Once the installation is complete, your Mac will boot up to the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your setup. After setup is complete, check that your files and applications are functioning correctly. If any issues arise, you can restore any missing files using Time Machine. Open Time Machine from the menu bar once again. Select the files or folders you want to restore from the backup. Click Restore to retrieve the selected items. Now you have successfully updated macOS Ventura using Time Machine backup safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.